Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best gutter cleaning tools that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the multi-angle gutter cleaning tools from Colbent. What's unique about this tool is its versatility, featuring a rotating arm and multiple cleaning heads that allow you to tackle gutters from various angles. The set includes a gutter scoop for debris removal and a brush head for cleaning over gutter guards, giving you an all-in-one solution for your gutter cleaning needs. However, keep in mind that the pole is not included, so you'll need to purchase that separately. In terms of design, this tool is made from nylon reinforced with glass fiber, ensuring durability while remaining lightweight. The materials make it sturdy enough to handle stuck debris such as moss and pine needles, even under challenging conditions. It's particularly useful for those who prefer cleaning from the ground, as it eliminates the need for ladders and minimizes potential risks. Still, its relatively small size may limit its effectiveness for larger gutter systems. Overall, this product is a solid choice for homeowners looking to clean their gutters safely and efficiently without breaking the bank. The price point is reasonable, and the added safety features make it compelling. However, the lack of a pole and somewhat limited reach might be a drawback for some users. Pros include ease of use, durable material, and multi-angle functionality, while cons include the absence of a pole and reduced effectiveness for high gutters. Taking the number 4 spot is the Jury Fox 10-pack 9FT pressure washer extension wand. This product is perfect for those who already own a pressure washer and want to maximize its cleaning potential. With a maximum operating pressure of 4,000 psi, this extension wand delivers outstanding performance in blasting away debris from gutters, roofs, and even hard-to-reach areas. The 6 spray nozzle tips allow for customizable angles, including 30 degrees, 90 degrees, and U-shaped curves for optimal cleaning versatility. Made of stainless steel, the Jury Fox extension wand is both durable and resistant to corrosion, ensuring longevity even with frequent use. Its ergonomic handle and lightweight design make it easy to maneuver, while the Quick Connect system simplifies installation. However, it requires an existing pressure washer to operate, which may not suit those looking for a standalone solution. Additionally, while the wand extends up to 9 feet, some users might find it insufficient for taller buildings. This tool is ideal for homeowners already invested in pressure washer systems and looking to upgrade their gutter cleaning capabilities. It excels in performance and versatility, but comes with a steeper learning curve for those unfamiliar with pressure washers. Pros include its high-pressure cleaning power, robust build quality, and adjustable angles. Cons include dependency on a pressure washer and limited maximum reach. At number 3, we have the Riegs H-Sil 10.5 feet long adjustable gutter cleaner and brush. This tool sets itself apart with its sturdy yet lightweight design, featuring stainless steel tubing and nylon brush heads for effective debris removal. With an adjustable pole that extends up to 10.5 feet, you can clean gutters safely from the ground without needing a ladder. It's a reliable option for homeowners looking to maintain their gutters regularly without professional help. The swivel brush head is particularly impressive, allowing for thorough cleaning at various angles. Whether you're dealing with leaves, twigs, or acorns, this brush ensures a quick and efficient cleanup. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. Although some users may find assembly slightly time-consuming due to the multiple tubing components, this tool is a great value for those seeking an affordable yet effective gutter cleaning solution. It's perfect for small to medium-sized homes, but it might struggle with larger gutter systems or heavy debris accumulation. Pros include its lightweight yet durable design, adjustable length, and efficient swivel brush head. Cons include a more complex assembly process and limited reach for taller structures. Coming in at number 2 is the Orbit 58543 Telescoping Gutter Cleaning Wand. If you're looking for a tool that combines reach, adjustability, and durability, this product has you covered. Its telescoping pole extends from 40 to 70 inches, making it ideal for cleaning gutters on single-story homes. The rotating zinc nozzle offers 180-degree adjustability, while the 4-position spray head lets you customize the water direction for targeted cleaning. The lightweight, non-corrosive construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the padded foam grip provides comfort and insulation against cold water temperatures. The Orbit wand is particularly effective for light to moderate debris and excels in situations where precision spraying is required. However, its reach may not be sufficient for taller buildings, and it requires a garden hose to operate, which could limit portability. This tool is a fantastic option for homeowners who prioritize ease of use and durability. It's perfect for routine maintenance, but might not be the best choice for heavy debris or tall structures. Pros include its adjustable spray angles, telescoping reach, and user-friendly design. Cons include limited height and dependency on a garden hose for operation. Finally, taking the #1 spot is the CoopTreePool 20-foot reach gutter cleaning tool. This product is the ultimate solution for homeowners with tall gutters and challenging cleaning scenarios. Its 12-foot telescoping pole and aluminum alloy construction offer exceptional reach and durability, making it capable of tackling second-story roofs and gutters with ease. The threaded aluminum head design ensures high-pressure water discharge, while the reinforced gaskets prevent leaks, enhancing both performance and reliability. The CoopTreePool tool is incredibly user-friendly, with a non-slip sponge grip for stability and intuitive installation instructions. Its lightweight construction allows for easy maneuverability without sacrificing strength, ensuring it can withstand rigorous use over time. While it's slightly heavier than some other options, the added weight contributes to its robust build quality. This tool is ideal for homeowners with larger properties or elevated gutters that require frequent maintenance. Its combination of reach, durability, and efficiency make it the best overall choice on the market. Pros include its extended reach, durable construction, and leak-proof design. Cons include a higher initial weight and a steeper price point compared to less capable tools. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.